Giggles and Grapes.
Welcome to Giggles and Grapes, where we bring you fun facts and educational content. Today, we're exploring 20 fascinating things about Pakistan. So, let's get started. Pakistan became an independent country on August 14, 1947. It was created as a homeland for Muslims in the Indian subcontinent after gaining freedom from British rule. Urdu is the national language, but did you know that Pakistanis speak over 70 languages? English is used in official settings, while Punjabi, Sindhi, Pashto, and Balochi are commonly spoken. Karachi, Pakistan's largest city and its economic powerhouse, is home to over 17 million people. Islamabad, the capital of Pakistan, is known for its scenic beauty and modern city planning. It became the capital in 1967, replacing Karachi. Pakistan is a paradise for mountain lovers. It's home to K2, the second highest peak in the world, and 4 other giant peaks above 8,000 meters. Over 4,000 years ago, the Indus Valley civilization thrived in what is now Pakistan, making it one of the earliest human civilizations. Pakistan's national sport is field hockey, and the country has won 3 Olympic gold medals in this game. The currency of Pakistan is the Pakistani rupee. Just like its culture, it's vibrant and full of history. Pakistan made history in 1998 by becoming the first Muslim-majority country with nuclear weapons. With over 240 million people, Pakistan is the 5th most populous country in the world. Pakistan is predominantly Muslim, but it's also home to small communities of Christians, Hindus, and other religions, adding to its cultural diversity. Pakistan is multilingual with over 70 languages spoken. Beside Urdu and English, Punjabi, Sindhi, Pashto, and Balochi are widely spoken. The Thar Desert in Sindh is one of the largest deserts in the world and adds to the geographical diversity of the country. Pakistani cuisine is rich, flavorful, and diverse. Whether it's spicy, biryani, or savory kebabs, food is at the heart of Pakistani culture. Mohenjo-Daro is one of the best preserved cities from the Indus Valley civilization and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Pakistan has the world's largest contiguous irrigation system, supporting its agriculture and making it a key player in global food production. Pakistan Day is celebrated on March 23rd every year to commemorate the 1940 Lahore Resolution, which led to the creation of Pakistan. Cricket is the most popular sport in Pakistan, with the national team having won the ICC Cricket World Cup in 1992 under Imran Khan's captaincy. Pakistan is one of the largest producers of cotton and textiles, a key contributor to its economy. Pakistanis are known for their legendary hospitality. If you're a guest in a Pakistani home, you'll be treated with immense respect and generosity. From towering mountains to ancient civilizations, Pakistan is a country full of wonders. This video is in collaboration with Kokomo and Candyland Bubble Pop.
Subscribe, like, and don't forget to press the bell icon.